Hey, hey. Am I looking a little off today? Which one do you prefer? This one or this one? I'm just playing around with my Danessa palette. How's everybody doing? Happy hump day. Oh my God, is it hump day or is it Thursday? Oh my Lord, this is really bad. Hey. Is this Thursday? Yes, it is. I think. This is how bad it is here. Hang on. Oh my God. It's Thursday. I think I missed a day. I feel like I missed a day. Y'all. Okay, so I'm working on my Danessa palette today. And this is the one that is available. This is the most beautiful palette with the most gorgeous colors. You know, normally our palettes are customizable. We have 36 shades that you can create your own palettes of. You can get a single, you can get 4, you can get 6. Hey, Brittany! You know what? I actually have my comments covered up so that I can get through this without getting distracted, because I tend to do that and then I forget what I'm saying and then I'm talking out of my head and then I don't make any sense. And half the time I can't remember the colors I used when I do one eye and then I try to do a second eye. So I am getting ready to go to bar to exercise with my daughter. And I'm just going to do a simple makeup look. This is not like anything major, but I think it's really pretty. And this looks fabulous, especially on blue eyes, because there's such warm colors. But look again, really, really pretty. So I'm going to use a combination of these and I'll tell you what I'm using and recreate this look. But see how pretty it is? And I also used a shade from our shimmers, which is called Rose Colored Glasses, and it's number 20. So this is something that you might want to check out. But I'm also going to tell you guys, once I do that, I'm going to show you my number one gift. If you have a lot of holiday parties to go to and you're looking for a gift to give the hostess, I have the best idea, the best gift. And it's something that you're going to want to go ahead and purchase now, so you have a couple on hand so that you can give those to your hostesses. And the really cool thing is this gift is something that a man or a woman can use. Okay, so it's not like it's makeup. It's a really, really fantastic gift for him or her. And hey, Gwendolyn, I do see you popping up there. Hey, Courtney. So I'm going to show you that. But let's get this other eye on because I'm looking a little bit funny. And I do have to leave shortly to go to bar. So we'll do it real quick. I like to start with this color right here because it goes really nicely under the brow bone. And I like to take my large eyeshadow brush and just take that and pop that under there. I didn't do any structured brows today because I'm just working out, and who needs structured brows when you're working out? So I did do the brow gel, and I just ran that through my brows, and what it did was it thickened them up, which I like. But they're not completely structured, you know what I mean? Like, they're not perfect, but they're filled in, and they're thicker. It looks good. I like it. So now I'm going to go with this color. This is going to be my transition color. And I'm going to take my pointed blender brush, and I'm just going to dip it in that color right there. These don't have names. Well, they might have names, but they're not on this. And I'm just going to start here. I'm also trying something a little different, y'all. I have moved my mirror up higher so that I'm looking more into the camera so you can really see instead of me looking down all the time. So I hope that helps. If anybody's used to watching me, you can tell me if that helps. So this transition color is just a nice light brown. It's very, very warm. And for me, I have to look forward with my eye open so that I can make sure that you can see it with my eye open and my hoods don't hide it. So I'm just going right up here like this, back and forth. I like to use a super light hand on everything I do because I think it blends better. What's everybody up to today? I can't see. Hey, Kelly. Hey, Raina. My phone is in a weird position and it's covered by my light. So that's why I'm having to do that. But also it keeps me on track. Okay, so see that? Just a nice transition color, and that's that color right there, that real pretty, that light brown. Okay, so then I'm going to take a brush that I've been using a lot that I just haven't used a lot really in the past is number 8. It's the angled eyeshadow brush. See that? See, like this. Can you see that? And I like that because I actually like to turn it over. Instead of taking it like this and putting it in the crease, I'm turning it over like this to do the placement. So I'm going to go into this beautiful, beautiful burnt orange. This is a gorgeous color. This is a color that looks phenomenal on blue eyes. I'm telling you, absolutely phenomenal. If you have blue eyes, you need to be using this shade. And I'm just placing it in that outer corner. See? Just placing, pressing. So when you press it, it's going to stay longer. You're packing it right onto that outer lid. How pretty is that? And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush. And I'm actually using a NARS brush. It's NARS number 13. I got this years ago, and it's just like the perfect fluffy brush for blending. And I'm just going to go in here and just blend this so that we don't have any harsh lines. And I'm kind of diffusing it into the center of the eye where I've got that super light color, right? We're going to add something there, but it's a really light color. I keep having to move my thing. Hey, Deb! All right, so you see this? Okay, so I'm going to take it, and when I'm blending it up and out as well because I want it to go up. This is what happens when it goes up, is it lifts the eye, but when you go down, if you have the hooded eyes, or if you're older, if it goes below that line right there, then it drags the eye down, and that's not a very pretty look. All right? Okay, you can, depending on how deep and dark, you want this, how rich and intense you want it, you can continue packing that on. I feel like I don't need a lot of intensity because I'm just going to exercise. Okay, isn't that a pretty color, y'all? I love it, I really do. It's that beautiful burnt orange. Okay, alrighty, so then I am going to take, this is where I always mess up because I never remember. Then I took that color right there. So we did this all over. We did this as the transition. We did this in the outer corner. And now I'm going to take this with the same brush, and I'm just going to pat it right here in the middle part of my eye. Because what I'm looking, get the right color? Because what I'm looking for is that gradient look of dark to lighter to lighter to lightest, and and the colors all coordinate. They really look nice together. Hello, Deb, you're so sweet. Yeah, isn't that? I love this shirt. This is the L correct on your end? Can you see it, or is it backwards? Let me know that because I thought I flipped the camera and I really wanted to make sure you could read the L. I don't think that you can. Okay, anyway, I have 30 minutes. Okay. Then what I did was I took this little brush, which I really like. Okay. This is a smoky liner brush. This is really great for under the eyes. And I'm going to take this color, which I call burgundy brown. That's my description. You can see it. This is from this, I'll send you the link, sports logo. It's the place where we can get all of our LimeLife stuff. And this is just a nice boat neck. It's where you can get the hats too. You know, the hats with the little things at the top. Okay, so that I call burgundy brown, and I really like that shade too. It's really pretty. And I'm going to go just on the outer, watch this, just on the outer edge, because I like to darken that up and it gives it depth. So see where I'm putting it? Can you see the difference? But I'm also, just so that you can, it looks right, I'm going to take that same brush and go into that burnt orange again, and I'm going to go underneath the eye and just carry that color on down there, and then it all tie in together. Okay, then it doesn't look as weird. Okay, there we go. Yeah. All right, so you can put that burgundy brown on as deep as you want, again, depending on where you're going. This is a beautiful, it's just a beautiful sort. So it can be natural if you don't put it on, if you don't put on too much, right? But see, here's what I'm doing. I'm just doing that. I'm going to take that fluffy brush again, and I'm going to blend it. Just kind of diffuse it out a little bit. That is basically what I did. Oh, I also took this and I went under just the outer corner below, just to darken right there. And that's all I did for the shadow from this palette. Then I took the rose-colored glasses, and I'm just going to pat a little bit of that on the inner corner, because who doesn't like a little bit of shimmer, right? Okay, and it's just a little bit, but it's really pretty. And if you want, you can put it in the corner and then just blend it a little bit here. Make sure there's no harsh edge. If you wanted to, you could even spritz your brush. I keep moving my mirror to see. And it intensifies the color. If you spritz your brush with a little setting spray for any shadow, it really intensifies the color. Then the last thing that I did with this palette from Danessa is I took my brow tamer brush and I went into this color, which is the dark brown, and I did wet the brush, because you can do this on the top or the bottom, okay? You can line the top, or you can go under here and you can line right there on that water line. And the reason I like to do that is because then it gives the illusion that my lashes are thicker than they are, but it doesn't take space up on my lid. And you girls who have the hooded lids know that if you put a liner on the top and takes up more space, then it makes your eye look smaller. So you can do this, and that just, it gives it the effect of having thicker lashes. And then the only other thing I'm going to do is just slap on a little bit of mascara to finish it off. And obviously you can put lashes on if you'd rather put lashes. If you want it to pop more, lashes will make it pop more. Although our mascara is pretty bomb. And it's great because it's layerable. So if you have never tried this before, you need to. It's 20 bucks. Look how good that looks. Hey, Jill. Thank you. I'm getting ready to go to bar with Amanda, so just put a little bit on the bottom lashes. Do y'all think my camera angle is okay? I'm trying a new thing. I've got my mirror up on one of our holiday boxes. They're so pretty this year. The holiday boxes are so stinking cute. And I lifted it. I think that will help a little more. All right, so as I've gotten older, I've lost a lot of my bottom lashes. It's really unfortunate. So I have to work with the suckers to get them to even look like there's any lashes down there. Okay. Anyway, so that's it. What do y'all think? Honestly, I have to tell you, when I do an online tutorial, I always have to go back when I'm finished and look to see where I need to get it even. Because I have to look in different mirrors. For me, that's just what I have to do. Like, I just noticed that wasn't even. Does anybody else have to do that? All right, there we go. That's it. And then I personally like to take, after I do that, my setting spray, and I like to spray right on my lids. Usually I do that before I do the mascara so that it doesn't have any chances of running, which it never does because it's water resistant, but I still, I always forget, so, and it never runs. But I do this, and then that really helps the eyeshadow stay on. Okay, you guys ready for this? I'm going to show you the #1 gift that I recommend that you take to a hostess when you're having a hostess, when you're having a party, because it can be used for a man or a woman, and it is our Soap and Joy collection. All right, so if you don't know, if you're new joining and you don't know about our products, our skincare line is Leaping Bunny certified, vegan, paraben free. It's all natural, really, really good stuff. And so our bar soaps are phenomenal. And this is a cute little set that it comes in this tin. And you just slide the top off and you get 3 different soaps. So I'm going to read you what it says. So I'm going to read you what it says once I get my glasses on because I can't see otherwise. 3 variations of our vegan bar soaps. It contains coconut oil, sustainably sourced and rainforest friendly palm oil and essential oils. So you've got peppermint vegan body soap, you have peppermint and tea tree charcoal vegan body soap, and you have white tea and ginger vegan body soap. And this little canister is $38. It's a fantastic hostess gift for someone. So if you have a lot of holiday parties you're going to and you're thinking about what you need to take to someone, perfect, because you all know that when we throw these parties, it's mainly the wife, the girlfriend, the female of the house that does the parties, that throws it. And usually when people bring gifts, they usually bring it geared towards her. Well, this is an absolutely fantastic gift that you can give to a couple and they can use it. Because let me tell you something about that charcoal soap. Charcoal withdraws the impurities from your body. So I'm talking, y'all, men and teenagers that have back acne, that is a fantastic soap for them. So it's actually for the whole family. So this is a great gift idea. So if you've been looking for something, if you've got these parties to go to and you need to take something, support somebody local. Don't go to the store and buy something. Get something really awesome like this. It's really good for their skin, and I promise you they will love it. It's a great little canister. They can keep it in their guest bathroom if they want to. They smell wonderful. You know you're putting something good on your skin that you know is going to go into your body, and it's just a fantastic little gift. So that's the Soap and Joy collection, and $38. So if you're interested, check out my website, LoriLandsberg.com. I'll post some graphics of it because I got some really cute graphics, but and I'll post the information so you can check that out. But that's my #1 pick for a host gift for holiday parties. So check it out. Hey, Angela. All right, y'all. Hey, Emily. Okay, so I'm done. I recreated the look. I hope they're even. See, they're pretty. I like it. And that's from the Danessa palette. If you want to check that out, check out my website for that as well. And I have done lots of tutorials on that, so you can get lots of really good ideas on ways to use all those different colors. But you have so many color combinations, so many choices, and these shades are so beautiful and warm. They look good on all eye colors, all skin tones. So you definitely want to check that out. Okay, I'm gonna run. I gotta go to bar. Emily, hello. I hope y'all are having a great day, and I will catch y'all later.